And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking out to the northeast. Just under, right around a half an hour ago, 5 degrees is where we're at right now. Lots of sunshine. We did get down to -5 at 8 a.m. and right now we're at our current high, which we reached at 3 o'clock this afternoon. Light winds, which is very pleasant. Humidity level has tampered right down. So these temperatures that you see on the screen here are just the reaction of a lot of sunshine being able to make it through the clouds and get down to the surface, all that cloud cover peeling back and allowed that sunshine to move in. Very pleasant conditions. Lots of people out walking their pets today and you know, just enjoying the outdoors. What we have is just some thin bands of cloud making their way. We have an upper trough that's going to be sort of dissecting the province from the northwest in the ensuing hours. We're not expecting to see any precipitation out of that making its way down to the south. We have a nice area of high pressure that's trying to establish itself in southern Alberta and southeastern BC. So any of the precipitation from that should stay well to the north. Seeing some light flurry activity north of Grand Prairie right now, and there's a couple of disturbances up in the Yukon, but here pretty quiet right now for the most part. Not expecting to see any of that change over the next few days as well. As I said, that area of high pressure is going to make it nice and stable for us here. Unlike down east, in the Avalon Peninsula, they've got a winter storm warning out. I mean, St. John's has been hit with a lot of snow over the last 3 days. Could see another 20 centimeters out of that. And then you've got some freezing rain through the Halifax area right now. Cooler temperatures, of course. Big low pressure center to the north has still been pushing down that cooler Arctic air mass over much of eastern Canada. And then you've got cloudy skies in northern Ontario. Winnipeg looking at some ice fog right now, -3 degrees. Of course, that's why their groundhog couldn't see its shadow today. -3 in Regina, 0 in Saskatoon right now, 0 in Edmonton, 7 degrees in Vancouver right now with a sun and cloud mix. Winter storm warnings out in place in the Yukon, the Whitehorse area looking at blizzard conditions overnight tonight. Could see 30 to 50 centimeters of snow, additional snow on the ground by this time tomorrow. And right now just some drifting snow through Yellowknife. For you in East Kootenay overnight tonight, clear skies down to -6 degrees, mainly cloudy tomorrow, 2 degrees for a daytime high. Winds will be out of the west at about 20 kilometers per hour in the afternoon. Looks like a very pleasant day there. Crow's Nest Pass, you're looking at clear skies overnight tonight down to -8. Sunshine and a high of 5 degrees tomorrow. West winds at 40 to 60 kilometers per hour for you. For the Medicine Hat area, clear skies tonight down to -10. Lots of sunshine for you tomorrow, 5 degrees for a high, and winds will be out of the south at about 30 kilometers per hour by the afternoon. Here in Lethbridge, we're looking at clear skies tonight down to -8 tomorrow. Loads of sunshine in the forecast. We'll get up to 7 degrees. Keep in mind, zero's average for this time of year, and we'll have a south wind at about 30 kilometers per hour. There's your 5-day forecast. Take a little bit of a dip on Monday, and that's just because an upper trough is moving through, so we get a temporary northerly flow. But look at Sunday, 10 degrees, and that's been predicted for several days now, so it's still on track to be that temperature on Sunday. So a beautiful weekend all in all, and then on Tuesday, high of 3 degrees. So we've got a good stretch ahead for lots of sunshine and very pleasant temperatures.